Hello everyone, this is a 2007 Type 1 Innova which has come to Auto Rounders for an interesting makeover. We won't be converting the car to a regular Type 4 but we'll be converting it with a Lexus Kit. Along with the exterior, we'll be customizing the interior as well. You can see this is the stock interior of a Toyota Innova. Stay tuned to Auto Rounders. We'll complete this project soon and update you guys.
Hi everyone. So you can see we have just painted this Innova. Still the lacquer work is pending, so that's why you don't see any shine on this. This is a very interesting color. We are doing it for the first time. Stay tuned. We will update you once this car is completely done. And as you can see, we are painting this car in paint booth. And also there is a Lexus Kit. So you can see the finish. This is still not complete, as 3 more steps are pending in this car. Full paint job to be done. Stay tuned. As I said, we will update you once this project is complete. It's a very interesting car and a very interesting project. Hi everyone. So you can see this is old Innova, which was 2006 model Type 1 Innova, and now we have completely modified it to Type 4 with Lexus Kit. So let me show you what all things we have done in this car. So you can see the entire front look is changed to Lexus Kit. Along with that, we have also installed the projector headlights in this car. The alloy wheels are also changed to 16-inch, and these are Momo alloy wheels. We have also changed the tires to 16-inch. Apart from the exterior modification, you can see the interior of this car is also customized. It's a sporty black interior. Steering wheel is also in genuine leather with piano black wooden finish. Even the roof, you can see, is changed to black. Even the tail lights are LED tail lights with DRL. That's the rear bumper of Lexus. So guys, you can call Auto Rounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. Thank you.